Today is a big day, Purdy's first official adventure. But before we could head out, I needed to make sure she was comfortable with her new carrier. For a few days, I left it open on the floor so she could explore it on her own terms. I gradually added some treats inside, and even fed her some tube treats through the carrier window to build a positive association. A lot of cats get anxious around carriers, often linking them to vet visits or stressful trips. I wanted Purdy to think of her carrier as something fun, where good things happen, not just scary ones. At the same time, I introduced her to the harness and leash. As any cat parent knows, the moment a harness goes on, many cats act like they've forgotten how to walk. So I used treats and her favorite toys to encourage her to move naturally. With a bit of patience and bribery, she started focusing more on playtime and less on the strange thing wrapped around her body. Once she was comfortable with both the carrier and the harness, it was finally time to venture outside.
You okay? You okay? Yeah. Where are we going? On an adventure. We're going on a trip. A field trip. What's wrong? She's like, are we there yet? I'm getting car sick.
Our first destination, Il Barretto Café in St. Catharines. It's a cozy little spot located inside the Picasso hair salon on Welland Avenue, and I've been wanting to try it ever since I saw photos of their food and drinks.
Hello, Purdy. Hello.
She's like, I don't know where I am. I don't want to come out.
What are you gonna eat? You wanna try some cream?
Perfection.
Cheers.
Have you ever had one of these before?
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Oh God, that's an amazing coffee. Okay, that's unreal. You're gonna die when you taste that. So good.
This is vanilla, matcha, and lavender. Matcha, vanilla, and strawberry. And this is a banana cold brew.
Nice.
Oh.
Okay?
Perfect.
Thank
Alright.
you. Thank you. Tasting tiramisus around the world.
Delicious.
Very lavendery.
Bomb.
Oh yeah.
You like strawberry.
I love strawberry.
Incredible.
Yes. Girl, very good.
And finally, it's time to take Purdy for her first walk and her first experience touching grass.
Okay, this is grass. Come on. Come on, Purdy. She's a good girl. Come on. There we go. She's like slinking. Like a little wilderness girl. It's like a lion.
Good job. Look at her go.
Okay. We just have to train her.
Yeah, I think if I do this more often, like, especially if I bring like Lupa along with her.
Yeah, because she'll
feel
probably try and keep up with Lupa.
Yeah. This is so cute right now. I can't take it.
Little birdies? What's that?
My afternoon nap is going to be glorious.
Yeah.
Good job.
Look it. Where is she? She's laying down. Oh, do you like it in there? She's like, just leave me. Jungle. Do, 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 do.
That's all for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed joining Purdy on her very first adventure. Stay tuned for next week, where she'll be experiencing a whole new set of firsts.